This is Mrs. Dawson. The table shows average attendance for the East High basketball team in some recent years. Use a graphing calculator to make a scatter plot of the data. Find an equation for and graph a line of regression. Then use the equation to predict the attendance for the basketball season in 2025. As you can see from the table, we have the years 2003 through 2008. The average attendance is also listed. We'll be using the Inspire to make the scatter plot. Home, number 3 for lists and spreadsheets. The first column will be year, and we'll label it as such. And we have 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, and 2008. If we had too many more than that, we could do a sequence to have that spreadsheet fill in. It wasn't too much typing. The second column will be the average attendance, and we'll denote that as AVG ATT for average attendance. In 2003, 2,200 people attended. 2004, 2,053. In 2005, there were 2,012. In 2006, 1,979. In 2007, there were 2,005 people average attendance. And in 2008, there were 1,987 people in the average attendance. So now that the data is in, we'll change to, going to the home screen, number 5, Data and Statistics. You can see those points have already been plotted. However, they're not in a scatter plot that we would like. So the x-axis will be represented by the year, and the y-axis by the average attendance. And now we can see the scatter plot. The next step is to graph a line of regression. Our instructions do say to graph a line, so we'll look for the linear regression. Menu, number 4 for Analyze, number 6 for Regression, and choice number 1 and 2 are both linear choices. We'll go with number 1. You can see the line that is best fitting all of those points. So it's as close to each point as possible. And here is our equation. The line of regression is y equals negative 35.4857x plus 73,205.9. In this particular example, remember that we had the year, that is the x, and the average attendance would be the y. So if we would like to use the equation to predict the attendance for the season 2025, then 2025 will be substituted in for x. Y, or the average attendance, is negative 35.4857 times 2025 plus 73,205.9. And we'll just go to the home screen to evaluate. So negative 35.4857 times 2025 plus 73,205.9. So according to our line of regression and the equation, there will be approximately 1,348 people for the average attendance in the year 2025.